Here's a look at the January 2025 issue of Onsite Installer. In our cover story, when Jesse Bradley launched SBC Excavation, he had no idea septic systems would take center stage. But with every install, his curiosity and expertise grew, leading him to pivot toward a thriving septic-focused business. Curious about what fueled this bold move? An operatic school atop a mountain faced steep slopes, tough soils, and shock loads. No encore for this wastewater challenge. See how a contractor hit the high notes with pre-treatment, drip disposal, and sheer determination. Are you dealing with tough soil conditions? Evapotranspiration systems might be your secret weapon in arid regions. From clever pond designs to year-round vegetation tricks, these systems tackle wastewater challenges in places traditional methods can't handle. Concrete tanks floating out of the ground is just one of the challenges Wade Loggins and his crew at L&L Enterprises tackle daily. See how Georgia's largest precaster is reshaping the industry, literally. Cesspools are out, and modern septic systems are in, at least in Gila County, Arizona. Find out how this $250,000 remediation project is tackling outdated systems and what it could mean for contractors eyeing similar upgrades. Check out these smart solutions, from versatile distribution boxes to decorative vent options that make installations easier, systems more efficient, and customers happier. The product focus is a great place to learn about solutions, but the case studies highlight real-world applications. Find out how contractors made it work. Simtech Filter's safety nets make open tanks safer without slowing you down. Designed to fit any riser size, they protect workers, homeowners, and pets. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading Onsite Installer. See you next month.